the same thing for physics and biology. Subscribe the channel, they are also coming.
In this question, it is given that when iodine is passed through an aqueous solution of NaF, NaBr, and NaCl, what will happen? So, if these reactions are made, then there will be no reaction because I2 is least electronegative among halogens, so it will not react. So, here option D, that is none of these are correct, is the correct answer. Which among the following compound is not an organometallic compound? Ethyl magnesium bromide, tetraethyl lead, sodium ethoxide, and trimethyl aluminium. So organometallic compound are those compound in which the carbon atom is directly linked to the metal. But in sodium ethoxide, the oxygen atom is attached to the sodium metal, not the carbon. So A, B and D are organometallic compound, but option C, that is sodium ethoxide, is not an organometallic compound. So it is the correct answer. In the question it is given that the orbital angular momentum of an electron in 2s orbital. First of all, know that the angular momentum is equals to root over of L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. Root over of L into L plus 1 into h by 2 pi. So for s orbital it may be 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. For the s orbital L is equals to 0. That means the total orbital angular momentum of s, whatever it be, 1s, 2s, 3s, all will be 0. So this is the correct answer and it is D. Which is correct according to the collision theory of chemical reaction? Option A chemical reaction occurs with every molecular collision is false. Option B, rate is directly proportional to the number of collision per second. This is true because in the increase in the collision frequency will increase the effective collision and thus the rate of reaction increases. So option B is the correct answer. Question it is given that H2O2 cannot be synthesized by option A, addition of ice cold H2SO4 on BaO2. This is true because here H2O2 along with BaSO4 is formed. In option B, addition of ice cold H2SO4 and PbO2. No, here H2O2 is not formed because here PbSO4 is formed along with water. And in both option C and D, that is aerial oxidation of 2-ethanol orthoquinol and electrolysis of NH4 whole 2 SO4 at high current density, in both these two H2O2 is formed. So option B, that is addition of ice cold H2SO4 and PbO2, here H2O2 is not formed. So B is the correct answer. Chloride of which of the following element is colored? Option A is Ag, option B is Hg, option C Zn, option G C, option D CO. So in case of cobalt, the chloride compound will be COCl3. Here 4 unpaired electron is present, so CO will be colored. Okay. Here we have to arrange in increasing order of dipole moment. So we know that para dichlorobenzene has the least dipole moment in these following. After that we will get toluene, then meta dichlorobenzene, and at last we will get orthodichlorobenzene. So the correct order is option B. This is a famous question and you must know this, that first of all in these 4 the highest increasing dipole moment is of orthodichlorobenzene and least in para-dichlorobenzene. So option B is the correct answer. In this question it is given that which is correct about the dehydrohalogenation of an alkyl halide. तो ये भी रटा रटा ऐसा एक सवाल है कि जो डीहाइड्रोहैलोजिनेशन ऑफ एल्किल हैलाइड होता है वो सब मतलब वो एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन होता है. मेरा हिंदी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग इन इंग्लिश. ओके, सो ए द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज एन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. सेज दैट व्हिच इज करेक्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ कैटलिस्ट. सो आप लोग बोलेंगे कि ABCD 4 ऑप्शन में ढूंढ के ऐसे वाला क्वेश्चन क्यों चूज़ कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि 2020 में हम लोग देखे हैं कि ऐसे टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा आए हैं. अगर क्वेश्चन पैटर्न मतलब क्वेश्चन का लेवल को सिंपल करेगा देन वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन देगा जो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होगा. तो ये भी प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. तो ऑप्शन ए है ऑल्टर द इक्विलिब्रियम इन ए रिएक्शन. इट इज ट्रू. सॉरी, इट इज नॉट ट्रू. ऑल्टर इक्विलिब्रियम को ऑल्टर नहीं करता वो. इज ऑलवेज इन द सेम फेज एज द रिएक्टेंट. नहीं, गैसियस जब रिएक्टेंट लिक्विड में होगा तो वो गैस भी हो सकता है, अलग अलग में भी हो सकते हैं. ऑप्शन सी पार्टिसिपेट इन द रिएक्शन एंड प्रोवाइड ईजियर पाथवे फॉर द सेम. हाँ, ये ट्रू है. एंड ऑप्शन डी इज डज नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द रिएक्शन. अब ये तो फॉल्स. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Which of the following statement is incorrect about resonance? Resonance structure should have equal energy. This is true. In resonance structure, the constituent atom should be in the same position. This is also true. In resonance structure, there should not be the same number of electron pair. This is false because in resonance structure, there should be the same number of electron pair. So the correct answer is option C. Let's read the option D too. The resonance structure should differ only in the location of electron around the constituent atom. This is also true. So here the correct answer is option C. So in this question it is given that the correct unit cell dimension for the tetragonal crystal system. So this is totally a memory based question. Here the correct answer is B. You have to just remember it. That is, for tetragonal crystal system, the unit cell dimension is A is equals to B, not equals to C, and the angles alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. In the question it is given that the order of living group ability in the following groups is. So first of all, just know the concept, that is the conjugate base of strong acids are weak and weak conjugate base are good living group. So we have to just find out the weak conjugate base. That is, option 4 is most weak, then third one, then the first one, and then the second one. So option B is the correct answer. In this question it is written that which of the following statement is not true for the long form of periodic table. So option is that it reflects the sequence of filling the electron in the order of sub energy level SPDF. It is true. Option B, that it helps to predict the stable oxidation state of the element. It is false. Option C, it reflects the trend in physical and chemical properties of the element. It is also true. And option D, that it helps to predict the relative ionicity of the bond between any two elements. It is also true. So option B, that it helps to depict the stable oxidation state of the element, is false. In the question it is written that which is the correct order for increasing the energy of subcell. To know this question, first of all we need to know the above principal electronic atomic orbital order. So the order is 1s 2s 2p, 3s 3p 4s, 3d 4p 5s, 4d 5p 6s, 4f 5d 6p 7s. This is the total order. So according to this order, after 5p we get 6s, then 4f, then 5d. So option B is the correct answer. In this question it is written that which statement about hybridization in the following is not correct. Not correct. Just underline this word. Option A, hybridization is the mixing of atomic orbital prior to their combination into molecular orbital. It is true. sp2 hybridized orbital are formed from 2p atomic orbital and 1s atomic orbital. It is also true because sp2 means s is 1, p is 2. Okay. d2 sp3 hybridized orbital are directed towards the corner of a regular octahedron. It is also true, written in NCERT. The option D is sp3d hybridized orbital are all at 90 degree to one another. So it is false because sp3d, the compound with sp3d hybridization are trigonal bipyramidal, and in trigonal bipyramidal the bond angles are 90 degree, 180 degree and 120 degree. So all are not at 90 degree. So option D is the correct answer.
If this video is helpful, then share it with your friends and let us know in the comment section. You can give your advice too to make it better. And another more important thing, if you make any important and informational biometrics video, then you can send in the Gmail which is shown above. So good morning to all of you. All the very best.